ice fishing shack from a gentleman in the community, which he purchased, and a tree had fallen on the back quarter of it. So he asked if we'd be willing to work on it and try to refurbish it and get it back together. So it's a bunch of different measuring, putting together, figuring out of how to take it apart, and now we're going to start the process of putting the roof back on and building the wall to put it back into one piece. The inside was all tongue and grooved. It's heated. So like I said, we had to tear a lot of that off. So once we get the outer shell built back up, we'll be able to get back in there and putting that back together and make it look like it originally was.
We got to go up there today and cut the edge flush there and inspect that because that looks pretty cracked up there. But basically today we're just going to clean up the cut and start putting in stuff, figure out where we got to put it all.
It's been a process of learning. Figure out, okay, if this doesn't work, then what works next? How do we problem solve? How do we communicate that? How do we figure it out? We've had some guys that walked away and said, I don't know what to do, but that's okay, because that's how we figure things out. And I tell the kids it's okay to fail. Let's get back after it and figure out what we do next. So yeah, I get a lot of life valuable skills as far as they can use someday on the job site. But yeah, everybody's been involved. It's doing a great job with it.
It's a lot more hands-on. It's a lot more enjoyable. I don't find myself like zoning out or being bored. I would love to do this as a career.